Hi folks, welcome to Solja PT. Before we get started, I'd like to thank my sponsor, SLM Toys. It should be coming up on your screen now. They sell a whole wide variety of toys on eBay. Please go check them out. The link is in the description below. Please go check them out for me. Thanks to them. Next, subscribe to your right hand corner. Okay, make sure you subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I load a video you'll get the latest video. And then on your left hand side is a thumbs up. While you're watching this now, please give me a thumbs up. Come on, press it. Thank you. Okay, so today's workout then, it's all about the legs. So as normal, beginner's going to do 60, intermediate is going to do 80, and advanced is going to do 100. So beginners, you're going to do 60 duck ducks, 60 squat thrusts, 60 star jumps. Again, doesn't matter what order, it's up to 60 on each one. You can take your time and go through them. However, when we get to intermediate, you're going to do 80 duck ducks, followed by 80 squats, followed by 80 star jumps. And advanced, 100 duck ducks, 100 squats, 100 star jumps. It's as simple as that. The link in description below, is all the technique for these videos. So please feel free to go and have a look. Make sure you do the technique. It's all about the technique. It's all about the technique. So please take your time doing these. It's going to be a pretty hard workout. It's going to be hard on the legs, but it's purposely set that way. Tomorrow we'll do some chest to the similar sort of movements, i.e. not leg movements, but upper body movements, which will be taxing. Go through them nice and slow, take your time. As always, I appreciate you watching this video. Again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, please stay safe and I'll see you tomorrow.